think of they don't make these engines really anymore. If you listen closely to the fourth airplane in the river there, the Brodewinkle bird, it has a
You know how like this, but it's blue, right?
5-cylinder radio
Isn't it other like this?
with open exhaust. And down at Biplanes,
Yeah, it's
we like to
different
call it
team
the
now.
Harley
Oh, it's
Davidson in the
different
sky.
I have a
It
shirt
shakes
like
and
that.
rattles
Oh, you have a
and
shirt like that.
blares just
Yeah.
like an old Harley. And you'll hear it when she
this.
comes on by.
All right, tell you what I'll do. Let's
They're
just
getting
turn the
lower.
microphones off here and turn the music off and let people just listen to the sound of these round engines, the radial piston engine.
Also, take a look at Steerman number 3. The pilot in an aircraft is a 90-year-old World War II veteran. Served in the Navy aboard the USS Monterey, which was aircraft carrier number 26. If you look closely, you'll see number 26 taken on the side of his plane in honor of his own service.
I think I should come next year. I like this.
I'm glad you do.
This is much better than Saturday.
Oh, by far.
By far.
I'm glad you like it.
Here comes the Harley.
Everybody in Bayport knows that airplane.
Wow, you can actually hear that. So
I
cool.
love the small one with this.
Here come the 2 Wacos.
Waco. Waco T-point.
Is the final Waco here, and 6 is flown by Anne Lindbergh, the wife of Charles Lindbergh. There he goes, doing a little wing over. And also was flown by Tom Cruise.
You like this, Susie?
Yeah?
Sweet.
Buzz the tower, right? Negative ghost right over pattern is cool.
Yes, I do.
Now, talk about slow motion. These airplanes did not go very fast. Now, how fast are they flying in this, and what were their maximum speeds, Bob?